Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Maruti Suzuki has launched the new Age Baleno recently with aggressive and bold look, fully loaded with first in segment features for a very impressive pricing. Today we are at the Nexa showroom, JP Nagar, Bangalore. We'll be showing you the quick impressions with all the features and the pricing. So let's get started.
Audio Jungle.
It has been around 6 years now since the old Baleno was launched, and almost everyone have got bored with the design. So really it's a very good comeback from the Suzuki with this new Baleno, which has very attractive and bold looks. This is the Alpha, which is the top variant. So there is a lot of major changes at the front design compared to the older one. The headlights have been extended more towards the grille, and it gets LED projector headlamps with halogen turn indicators and a splitted DRL. At the bottom there is some chrome finish along with a LED fog lamp. They have given a very huge front grille with a chrome line, big Suzuki logo at the center. Also there is a front camera for 360-degree view. There's no much difference in the side looks compared to the previous one. It gets 16-inch precision cut alloy wheels and has disc brakes for the front tires, drum brakes for the rear. There are chrome handlebars in the top variant and they are in body color in the lower variants. You also get a chrome line that is running throughout the pillars. There are electronically adjustable and foldable ORVMs with turn indicators, and both of these get a camera for 360-degree view. Coming to the overall dimensions, it's 3.99 meters in length, 1.74 meters in width, 1.5 meters in height, 170 mm of ground clearance, and has a total curb weight of 930 kgs. These are the normal wipers, plain roof, and here is a pole antenna. There are slight changes in the rear design. At the bottom, there are reverse parking sensors, reflectors, splitted LED tail lights, a chrome line running throughout the boot, Suzuki logo, and the reverse parking camera is placed here, rear wiper, spoiler and high mount stop lamp. I'll show you the boot now. So here is the parcel tray. It has around 320 liters of boot space. They have also provided a light here. Under this, there is a steel wheel as a spare. Let's enter into rear seats. The rear door gets a chrome handlebar, power window control, and some space. There is also a bottle holder, a speaker. There is decent amount of space here and 3 people can accommodate easily. The seats get 2 adjustable headrests and no center armrest. It comes with 60-40 split, and if there is more boot requirement, you can easily fold the seats. Here you get 2 AC vents. There is one USB port and one Type-C port for charging, and some storage space below this. Grab handles. There is one reading lamp. This car gets 4 speakers in total along with 2 tweeters. AC vents. A glove box of decent size. Sun visor with a vanity mirror. It also gets a light inside. Two reading lamps. Auto dimming rear view mirror. This is the second highlighting changes in this new Age Baleno. It gets this completely new dashboard that is a lot premium when compared with the older generation Baleno. As an infotainment, it has 9 inches touchscreen which supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, 360-degree camera view, voice commands, music, and all the car analytics. Under this, you get 2 AC vents. These are for AC controls along with a digital display, one 12-volt port and one USB charging port. Some space, 2 cup holders, and this is the 5-speed manual transmission. There is also a 5-speed automatic transmission option available. There is an armrest and some space under that. Coming to the driver side door, it gets overview and all the power window controls. Bottle holder and some space, the speaker, pedals. These are axes for the fuel lid and the bonnet. Some space. There are multiple controls placed here, which includes a push start button, traction control, camera view, heads up display, and light adjustment. AC vent, and this time it gets a new Swift steering wheel. So that's looking very beautiful in this car. It also has tilt and telescopic adjustments. A big Suzuki logo at the center, audio controls towards left, cruise control, and the call controls are placed here. It gets almost an analog instrument cluster with a small TFT multi-information display at the center, which shows range, mileage, clock, power torque consumption, acceleration, and other such statistical data. And this is a new feature that they have included in this new generation Baleno, which is this heads-up display, which shows speed, RPM, AC functions, fuel economy and warning notifications. You can also control the brightness and adjust the position. Driver side sun visor with light and vanity mirror. Coming to the safety, this top variant gets 6 airbags in total and 2 airbags as standard from the base variant. Other safety features include ABS with EBD, ESP with hill hold assist, 360-degree camera view, reverse parking sensors, brake assist and ISOFIX child mount. There is also some safety and security Suzuki Connect option through which you can monitor and access some of the basic features through your smartphone. Baleno comes with 1.2 liter 4-cylinder petrol engine which delivers 88 horsepower and produces 130 Newton meters of torque. The same engine option is available in both manual and automatic transmission and has an average mileage of around 22 kmpl with 37 liters of fuel tank. There is also a protection cover for the engine. These are the 6 different color options that are available. Finally, coming to the price point, the on-road price in Bangalore, Karnataka ranges from 8 lakhs to 11.7 lakhs. So overall, for the price range they are offering, it's a very good hatchback that's available in the market now with all the loaded features and the design. But one thing that matters is the safety rating, which proves the build quality. As I felt personally, there is some slight improvement in the build quality as compared with the previous one. If you are really interested, you can manually go and visit the showrooms and check out. I hope this video was useful. For more such automobile videos, you can subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching guys. We'll see you again in the next one.